Hi guys, my name is Niaz. In my last video, I showed you guys how to download and install Oracle Database 11G Enterprise Edition, and today I'm gonna show you how to download SQL Developer. To download SQL Developer tool, you have to browse from your browser and go to oracle.com, and from here, before you download, I want you to guys know that you have to have an Oracle account to download any software from oracle.com. So I already have my account here, so I sign in. If you don't have, you have to create an account here, and after creating your account, sign into your account, and from download section you see the download. From here, go to the developer tools. Under the developer tools, you will see SQL developer. So click SQL developer, and then you're gonna see the Oracle SQL developer. This is the latest version they have, so we are going to download the latest version. So before you download, you have to accept the license agreement. So click the license agreement. Depending on which operating system you have, you have to download. Like if you have Windows 64-bit, you can download by clicking here, or if you have Windows 32-bit, you can download from here. But the difference is, if you want to use Oracle SQL Developer in your computer, then you have to have JDK 7. So this is the software. If you don't want to install JDK 7 separately, so you can um, download from here with SQL Developer. So you can do that, or you can just download Oracle SQL Developer if you already have JDK 7. So I don't have JDK 7, so I'm gonna download Windows 64 zip file including JDK 7. Just click download. um it's asking me to sign on, so I'm gonna enter my password, then sign in. And here is the file. Just click save the file and okay. um it's gonna take like 4 or 5 minutes to download. So alright guys, so this is the file we have just downloaded from oracle.com, and it's a zip file. We have to unzip this file. To unzip this file, right click on the file and extract file. So and press OK. It's gonna take a little bit time, so we will wait until it's done. So once it's done, we will move this folder to Oracle home directory. So copy this file and move it to Oracle home directory. So in my computer, Oracle home directory is under root directory. So root directory is C drive. So go to the C drive, and under C drive, go to the program file, and under program file, you have to paste this file here. So once it's done, open the SQL developer folder, and you will see inside of the SQL developer folder there is an application called SQL developer. So we are gonna use this application. Is actually is This is the tool we're gonna use every time we will update our table, we will edit our table, we're gonna make any table, we will delete any table. So all of the time we're going to use SQL developer tools, and this is the application we are going to use. So we will need this application every time we will work on um, Oracle database. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this application to desktop shortcut. So just right click and send, from send to, from send to create desktop shortcut. So once it's done, go to the desktop and you will see SQL developer shortcut here. So just double click this application. So it's gonna take a time to load, so we're gonna wait until it's done. Okay, so it's loading. Alright, so this is the SQL developer tool. So for the first time, we have to make a connection between this tool and Oracle database. So how can we do that? We have to, you see the green plus sign, you have to press the green plus sign and gonna open a new window. So there is a lot of option here. So under connection name is you can put any kind of name you want. So I'm gonna make it like first database and username. In my previous lecture, I showed you guy how to unlock users. So what we did that time, we just unlocked three user. One was sys, another is sysdba, and another is hr. So you can use any of those you want. So I'm gonna use hr. So my username is HR and password is the same password you created when you unlocked HR user. And in the save password box, just check these bugs because if you don't check, it will ask you every time to enter your password. So we don't want to do that. And connection type is basic, role is default. But you guys you have to remember one thing: if you use username sys here, then you have to change the role from default to sys dba. But we're gonna use hr username, so we will leave it like that. And hostname is basically if you use your own machine to use Oracle database, so you can just leave this host name like localhost as usual. But if you use any server, then you have to um, put the IP address here, and the port is always default is gonna be 1521, and seed, that is most important thing, seed is gonna be always orcl. And before we connect, we're gonna test if everything is okay or not. So click the test, and if it's success, you see it's success, so that means everything is okay. So then press connect. Now here you go, so it's connected. So you can see under connection we have a new connection named first database, and under the first database we have all kind of folder we need to work with. And this is the table, the sample table. You can use it, so everything is a great tool. I hope you guys already did with me. um, and that's it for today, guys. So I hope you will um, like my video and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next time. Have a good day.